And I would try to tell you that all my life I was doing science as a professor of university, and then I devoted my full staying here in the United States last 15 years to inventorship, and I have more than 50 US patents and international patents. And out of all these patents, I consider this last one, which is regarding the NOAA tablets, as the best one discovery that I made so far. I was lucky to make this discovery, and I'm lucky to work with you guys. I will try to explain in a couple of words what this particular product would do for your health, where the benefits could be expected. The best and the most efficient activity, biological activity of those tablets, this product, is so-called saturation of water you drink with hydrogen. This is a small gas which is dissolved in water to a very small amount, but biologically very active, so you need not to have a lot of hydrogen in the system to feel all the benefits of it. That's nice. So altogether, you dissolve about 2 milligrams of hydrogen in 1 liter of water, which you drink, and this is good enough to give all these effects. Why? Because it's a super antioxidant, different from all other antioxidants which you know. You know, for many antioxidants from fruit, like from blueberry or from raspberry, but this one is particularly interesting because all other antioxidants, resveratrol and all of what you know and what you read, and what you are told by different people are different from this one because they usually act like one-to-one, you know, one free radical scavenger, one antioxidant, one radical. Now, the hydrogen and this tablet works differently. It helps the human enzymes, defensive enzymes against radicals, and these is catalase and superoxide dismutase, two enzymes which prevent any oxidative stress in human beings. And those two enzymes work like millions of molecules. One molecule can convert millions of bad molecules into harmless molecules. This is the body works the best, nature works the best. Now, our tablet helps those two enzymes to work better. They repair those enzymes, and then all of a sudden we have another generation, super generation of antioxidants. Lately, I try to explain this in so-called yin-yang relationship, which everybody should be familiar because this is traditional philosophy from Far East, from China, I guess from Philippines as well, that everything has to be balanced, negative, positive electricity, cold water, hot water, so hot oxygen, over-oxidation, inflammation, and then the anti-inflammatory effect, and many other things. So if you oppose two forces, you can balance them and you can bring this in an equilibrium. So this tablet producing hydrogen is exactly balancing the overheating of the body, inflammatory processes, whatever is the basis of many diseases. So this is the main feature, and our product provides the best and the highest concentration of hydrogen of all known products at the moment on the world market. The other feature of this product is to hydrate your body, because water which has dissolved hydrogen gas has the best hydration properties. That means water can penetrate at the cellular level into the cell, and then really what you need in hydration is that water goes through lipid membrane into the cell through a protein which we call aquaporin, like a tunnel, and the water has to have either a small number of molecules or free molecules of water. If the water is associated in a bigger clusters, what we call, then it does not penetrate into the cell and cannot act as a hydration agent. So hydration of the body is also exceedingly important property. The third property is that so-called oxidation reduction balance or oxidation reduction potential becomes negative, and human body is on a negative ORP, that means oxidation reduction potential. So if you're sick or ill, or you have viral infection or bacterial infection, this oxidation reduction potential becomes positive. Now, if you drink the water which has a negative ORP, then you balance this and you get back to a healthy state. Last but not least, tablet provides alkalinity. That means neutralizes excess of acid. And you know, this is something which you read a lot, and you have some other products on the market which would be alkaline, like alkaline ionized water from these electrolyzers, the machines which somebody has at home and can use to make this electrolyzed reduced water. People call it ERW. And this is something which definitely has an alkalinity. Our tablet also provides this alkalinity. Besides that, we produce more hydrogen than any other device known today, and we have the best hydration property. We also have a very, very good alkalinity. That means pH, usually it's about 9, 9.5 even, which is quite high but healthy, neutralizing excess of acid in the blood, in cells, and sometimes people have the so-called stomach acid excess, and this is not pleasant, this is not good. So part of that is neutralized, part of that is needed naturally for better digestion. So the tablet has a full gamut of 4 properties which I told. And all what you need to do is really to try, because you will see within minutes or hours the difference. So it's visible within really very short time. And this is nice about those tablets. You need not to wait for weeks or months. You can see the effect almost immediately. And there is no overdosage of those tablets. So you can take it 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 a day, depending on your state, on your condition, and whether you need and whether you feel all those benefits. You will dose yourself as many as you want, really. So by saying this, at the end of that, I would like to really welcome Bizo International as our partner, and I wish NOAA as a product and all of you the best. Thank you a lot. Thanks.